Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to activate iMessage on iPhone or iPad. If you are using iPhone or iPad and you want to activate your iMessage, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your settings app here. Very first, I recommend you have to check for software updates. Go for general, go for software update, and you have to make sure that your software or your iOS is up to date. After that, you have to simply go back from here, scroll down, look for apps section. Select that and you have to look for your messages app here. Once you find messages app, select your messages app and you will get a toggle under your iMessage. You must have to enable this toggle and then wait for activation. Just wait for that until it's complete. Once your iMessage has been activated, just tap on send and receive option and you have to log into any account. It might be your Apple account, your mail account, or it might be a phone number. Once you have logged in or signed in, you'll be able to use your iMessage after doing that. So in this way, you can easily set up or activate your iMessage in your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.